Advanced ChatGPT hacks you've never tried. Most people use ChatGPT for basic stuff. But if you want real leverage, these 7 advanced hacks will change the way you think about productivity and creativity. Let's get into it. Hack 1: Chain of Thought Prompting. Ask ChatGPT to think step by step before answering. This activates deeper reasoning. Try. Let's work this out step by step so I understand it clearly. Hack 2: Custom Personas. You can assign ChatGPT a role or background. For example, act as a productivity consultant for startup founders. Help me design a morning routine for creative deep work. Hack 3: Comparative Analysis Prompts. Want critical thinking? Ask for a comparison. Try. Compare Notion and Obsidian as second brain systems. Include pros, cons, and use cases. Hack 4: Prompt Compression. Have a messy prompt? Ask ChatGPT to compress it. Say, here's my prompt. Make it more concise and effective while keeping the intent. This helps refine future inputs on it. Hack 5: Time-saving syntheses. Use ChatGPT to read and summarize long material. Try. Summarize this article in 5 bullet points, 1 key takeaway, and 1 actionable next step. Hack 6: Counterpoint creation. Sharpen your thinking by asking for the opposite view. Prompt. What are the weaknesses of this argument? Or challenge this idea from another perspective. Hack 7: Thought Partner Mode. Want more than answers? Ask ChatGPT to act like a coach. Try. Ask me questions that challenge my assumptions on this idea. Now you're thinking with the model, not just getting answers. The real power of ChatGPT isn't in answers, it's in how you ask the questions. These 7 hacks turn it into a second brain. If this gave you new ideas, like and subscribe to HumanOS. Next up, we'll explore AI tools and strategies for people who want to build skills from scratch. No tech background required. Whether you're starting over, shifting careers, or just curious, this next one's for you.